Now, supporters of gay rights in Tennessee are raising concerns about a round of new bills in the legislature. Critics call all of them discriminatory in one way or another.
10 News reporter Lauren Davis joins us to explain the concerns and the view of supporters and what's next.
John, Robin, there are a series of bills that have been filed drawing sharp debate on how they affect the LGBTQ community. Supporters say they clarify current law, while advocates say they could roll back civil rights protections. LGBTQ advocates are closely watching several bills making their way through the Tennessee General Assembly, many of them filed by State Representative Gino Bolso, a Republican out of Brentwood.
There are attacks on marriage equality, the freedom of our community to marry. There are attacks on the pride flag and pride celebrations. There are attacks on health care for transgender people.
One bill addresses the Supreme Court decision establishing workplace protections for the LGBTQ community. Another deals with the ruling legalizing same-sex marriage. However, Representative Bolso says the bills do not change existing law. They clarify it. In a statement, he says House Bill 1472 makes clear that Bostock does not apply to our state anti-discrimination statutes. House Bill 1473 makes clear that Obergefell does not apply to private citizens. Another bill would ban pride flags and other symbols of the queer community from public places. To that, Bolso said public buildings belong to all of us and should not display partisan political images.
We think banning these symbols really makes for a dangerous situation for LGBTQ students in particular.
Advocates say if passed, these bills may likely face legal challenges.
We think that's probably part of the goal, to get test cases before the courts again to see how far states can really push and how far they can really restrict LGBTQ rights.
Representative Bolso says these bills will begin moving through the committee system next week. The Tennessee Equality Project is urging Tennesseans to call their lawmakers as the debate continues. John, Robin.
Lauren Davis on the story tonight.